The Sureshine Service Network team has been repairing granite cracks now for 15 years. These cracks across sinks are caused by rusting steel rods placed in the counter for support that get wet when the sink caulking breaks down or the faucets leak. Not all cracks will allow us to break the pieces off the counter to cut the offending parts of the rod, but that is the only way to ensure a long-term repair. Any repair method that does not remove the rod will not last longer than a year. Using strong structural color-matched granite adhesive is the key to the Sureshine Service Network granite repair method, as well as support pieces of wood or aluminum when necessary to make sure that the repair lasts. We do not use water-sensitive or weak polyester resins. We use 100% solids epoxies and urethanes that are made to outlast your counter. Epoxies and urethanes take longer than an hour to cure before they can be sanded. Clamping and waiting this time is key to a successful project. Your repair is booked for a full day, though it could take less time. Our technicians take the time to make sure that your counter is left stronger than ever. We take the time to grind the surface flat and return your counter to its original factory shine or better. The finishing touch on your granite repair is the replacement of the caulking and the backsplash if needed around your sink. Keep in mind that if your sink moves, the caulking will break, so you will need to keep a close eye on this area to ensure a long-lasting repair. Your Sureshine Service Network technician will evaluate your counter from pictures and let you know up front what you can expect from our repair. We then make sure that our findings are correct prior to starting your project. We have seen thousands of these types of cracks, so we can be confident in this evaluation. Please give Sureshine a call, toll-free at 866-943-0021, or visit our website at sureshineservices.com. We look forward to making your kitchen countertop look like new again. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.